How to unblock spaces or chats on Google Chat. If you want to unblock spaces or chats on Google Chats, it's fairly quite simple for us to do so. What you have to do for this is you have to go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Google Chat app like this. If you've happened to block quite a few chats or some spaces that people added you to and you want to manage those blocked settings, tap on the three lines icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then simply go to the option that says Settings. Then once you go to Settings, there you'll find the option called Manage Blocked Spaces and Chats. So you want to make sure to just tap on the Manage Blocked Spaces and Chats. You'll find all the spaces and chats that you've blocked, which you can choose to unblock them from here. Then you can tap the Done button to return to the home screen. That way you can basically manage all spaces and chats. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.